The project brings together 6 partners from 3 different continents, covering a wide range of expertise. A short insight into the system design of an aquaponic system shows the fish and a plant unit. Professional aquaponics in the city needs good locations, preferably with circular city resources. The scientific public is informed about the current state of research through many publications that have been produced within the project.
You have a great team of researchers trying to understand how green and blue infrastructure impact water, food and energy in cities.
A huge question is, how do we build these cities of tomorrow? And it's very clear that we cannot build them using ideas and technologies from the 17th or 15th century. We really have to think about how the natural resources within and around the city can help us mitigate some of the negative environmental impacts, as well as help us adapt to other environmental and global change impacts.
We are an international interdisciplinary team. Our goal is to produce solutions to urban food, water, energy challenges through participatory model building. We have 2 study areas, Amman, Jordan, and Pune, India. Both are cities of about the same size, with 4 and 7 million people respectively, with population that is expected to double by about 2050.
Urbanizing in Place is a participative action research project engaged in structuring and facilitating the dialogue between the agroecology community and the urban policy context of sustainable food planning. In Riga, Brussels, London and Rosario, we study the peri-urban fringe as a dynamic context in which new relationships may be brokered that work across the rural-urban divide.
Movement Access is a platform of design, evaluation, and participation to co-design, co-produce, and co-deliver FEW solutions at 6 living labs, including Amsterdam, Belfast, Detroit, Doha, Sydney, and Tokyo. Published papers and reports are recompiled to wiki pages and available to the public.
Welcome. I'm very happy that you're interested in our local project. Let me start with briefly explaining to you what we actually do in Global. Well, we start from local, very often urban initiatives and innovations that somehow aim to improve the sustainability of food, water or energy flows. And by doing so, we do acknowledge that it is difficult for local actors, including policymakers at the city level, to see, to analyze and also to understand whether solutions to one issue in the Food-Water-Energy Nexus are also sustainable across the other issues in the Nexus.
Food insecurity has become even more relevant during these difficult times. The coronavirus pandemic has exacerbated already unstable food systems, and in some cases, caused people to choose between traveling long distances to get food and risking possible exposure to the virus, or staying hungry.
We are also seeing the global agricultural system falling apart due to the virus, with thousands of farmers having to discard tons and tons of crop just because the market is in a pretty bad place. This is all a sign that the global food system and sustainability in general have to be reformed.